Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign in MBNA credit card online. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Click on the search bar and type in mbna.ca. After that, you'll be led to the official website of MBNA. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to access and manage your credit card, what you have to do is simply log in to your online banking account. For that, what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the login interface. Simply log into your account using your login name and password. Click on the field of login name and enter the login name over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you want this browser to remember you, check on this box remember me. But if you've forgotten the login name and password, what you can do is click on this option forgot your login name or password and you'll be able to recover it. Simply recover them and enter them over here. Now after you enter the credentials, click on the login option that you can see on the screen and you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you sign in MBNA credit card online. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.